What's up guys, it's Johnny O, and today I want to go and take a look at this Magic Force 68 key keyboard. So as you can see, I've already unboxed it. I've used this keyboard here for a couple of months now, and so I just want to kind of give my first impressions of it as the first mechanical keyboard that I've ever used. So I was looking for something inexpensive and something that would be compact that I could easily take back and forth with me from home to work, because I didn't want to use mechanical at home and then rubber dome at work, and I didn't want to have to buy two keyboards, especially if I've never used, since I had never used a mechanical keyboard before. So let's go over what you get in the box. You can see it's a pretty plain box. And they give you a keycap puller, and they give you a little bit of paperwork. I don't have it in the bag here. I think it's actually back in my bedroom. So I'm not gonna go look for it right now. But they also give you OTG mini or micro USB to USB Type A female cable, which in theory should work for letting you plug in the keyboard into an Android device and using it as a keyboard. I haven't verified, I haven't tested this, but it should work with no issue. So I'll show you this real quick. The USB cable for it is mini B to USB Type A, and so it's detachable. You can replace it if you want to. It's pretty compact. I haven't actually measured it, but it's probably about less than a foot wide. I mean, it's pretty compact, pretty easy to throw in your bag and go. Throw it in my Target's backpack, take it to work with me every day, back and forth. Pretty durable. Haven't had any issues with it. No, hasn't broken or anything like that. No pieces have chipped off. No paint flaking, as far as I know. I mean, it's pretty decent build quality from what I can tell so far. Uses Otamu blue switches, which are Cherry MX equivalent, and so Cherry MX keycaps will fit on it. You see there's the blue there. And you can maybe hear the switch a little bit there. Again, I don't have any experience with any other mechanical keyboards, so I can't speak to the quality compared to other mechanical key switches, but I can say that I really can't use a rubber dome keyboard anymore. So I tend to have a lot of test systems at work, and so if I have having to work on more than one machine at a time, I've usually got this plugged into my main desktop, and if I'm working on another desktop and I need to have an external keyboard plugged into to use it, using a rubber dome is painful now. It's kind of disgusting. So that's just my personal preference. Obviously, if any of you guys prefer rubber dome over mechanical, whatever works for you works for you. But for me, I'm never going back. Every keyboard I'm going to own from this day forward will be a mechanical keyboard. So let's go ahead and check out the keyboard itself as far as usability. Like I said, my main purchasing decision for this was that it was compact, it was inexpensive. So right now you can get this keyboard on Amazon for $40 with free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. And like I said, it's got it's an okay aesthetic. I mean, it's not for everybody. I didn't actually realize it had this gold base on it whenever I ordered it. I thought it was like white or silver. There is a silver base option for it. I just ordered the wrong one. So again, I didn't even know gold existed. I'm okay with it. The gold and white goes together pretty nicely. So there's that. So with it being such a compact keyboard, there is some compromises. You don't have a function row. You have a function key over by the space bar that you have to hit function, and then you can hit, hit number 1 to hit F1. And that actually just brought up Bing, because why not? So we're gonna get rid of that. So you hit hold function and press other keys. You have some media function keys on the bottom row. You also have home and end over on your page up and page down buttons that you can access with function. Different things like that. I'll do some B-roll shots of the keyboard so you guys can see where all the function keys are and kind of how the layout works. So at my day job, I have to interact not as much as I used to, but with the IBM AS400 system, which means if any of you know, if any of you work with JD Edwards or AS400, you know that function keys are your bread and butter in that system. And again, I don't work in JD Edwards or AS400 as much as I used to, but the whole function and to get to the function key and function shift function key that you need in AS400 systems a lot hasn't been an issue for me. I'm not going to do any speed typing comparisons because I'm not actually a very fast typer. I'm just not. I've been in IT for years, and I just, for whatever reason, I'm just always going to be a slow typer. I think it's just my fat, not very nimble fingers. I have kind of sausage fingers, I guess. So I'm just going to do a little bit of typing so you guys can kind of get a feel for how loud the keys are. Just keep in mind I'm using the lav mic here, and the keyboard is about a foot away or so from the mic since it's attached to me. And so that way you guys can get kind of a feel for how loud they are. Honestly, I've been taking it to work every day for a couple months now using it, and I haven't heard any complaints from anybody. So, we're all in cubicles where I'm at, so, they're not high wall cubicles, they're, slightly lower walled, but I don't think much of the noise really gets through, or at least not enough to annoy people. Again, that being said, they are blue switches, they do have a tactile bump, and the audible click, as you can hear, it's a pretty significant amount of noise. And guys, I know a lot of times with like cheaper mechanical keyboards, people complain about, the spacebar squeaking. I mean, it's got a little bit of a different tone to it, but I mean, it's no squeak or any annoying noises like that that I have any issues with on the keyboard. So overall, it's been a really solid keyboard. I'm actually really happy with it. For $40 for an entry into the mechanical keyboard world, I don't think you can go wrong with this keyboard. And what I'll probably end up doing is keep this here at home because I like having, since my 3D printer takes up so much of my desk space, I don't have a lot of room for mouse and keyboard area. So I'll probably keep this one here at home, and at some point I'll just purchase the second one to have with me at work, and that way I can have the full 10 number keypad on the right hand side, because I do actually use that quite a bit. So that's the only complaint I really have, is not having the numerical keypad on the side. But again, that's nothing against the keyboard, because I knew what I was getting into whenever I bought this, because I made that sacrifice so I could have the portability. And honestly, I couldn't be happier with this keyboard. I think this is probably the best mechanical keyboard I could have bought for $40. Again, there may be something out there that's better, but for me and for my needs, this fit everything perfectly for me. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button if you liked the video, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know, have you ever used a mechanical keyboard before? If so, what brand do you have? What model have you used? Which one's your favorite? What's your favorite switch type? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. And check out some of my other videos. I've done a bunch of videos on the 3DS and some different gaming videos. I'm going to try and get into more gaming and more of the other tech videos like this. So go ahead and let me know in the comments down below if there's anything else that you guys would like to see me do videos on. And until next time, it's Johnny O, signing off.